Hello everyone, I'm Josie Glasas. I'm an student of UPOU. Today I'll be presenting to you about the Research Monitoring System or RMIS of the Iloilo Science and Technology University Research Services Division. The Iloilo Science and Technology University, formerly Western Visayas College of Science and Technology or WVSST, is a government educational institution in Iloilo City. It was established in 1905 as an elementary trade school known as the Iloilo Trade School, and it was converted last May 18, 2015 by Chairperson Patricia Licon and their commission in back Resolution number 207-2015. With its university status, it continues to move forward, responding to the myriad challenges of ever-changing higher education landscape to fulfill its vision of becoming a modern state university at the cutting stage of academic excellence as the center of science and technology. For this reason, that this project is conceptualized in order to respond the need of keeping the university attuned with the latest technology. With that, the analysis and external environments through identification and assessment of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, or SWOT analysis, was done during the initial stages of strategic planning. The strengths: the university has competitive and innovative faculty researchers. The university has a regular budget allocation intended for research and services division projects. The university has an efficient support staff, supportive work environment for all staff. While for the weaknesses, the university has low monitoring of the accomplishment status of the faculty research. The Research Services Division has not yet established its system for fast and easy monitoring of ongoing and completed journal or research. It needs additional IT staff of the research RSD who will maintain and update the research database, and consistency policy implementation, availing the budget for research proposal, and lack of management training and leadership for some middle managers. All about the opportunities in university, there are available financial support from CHED and other research funding agencies such as USH Trade and UST to finance the university research projects and other related activities. Second, commercialization of published research outputs in faculty that would achieve the envisioned goals of the university. Next is there are available skills and development trainings and seminars or workshops offered by the government and private entities to support staff development activities, and it will play a greater role in university planning efforts also. While the threats of the university, competitiveness of all faculty to earn more points, and fast-paced development of technology where the university could hardly catch up due to limited funds. So here, the project identification's problem definition. The main objective of this project is to provide the efficient and accurate way in how information is processed and delivered effectively. Specifically, it will focus on the categorized research monitoring information system. Presently, the RSD office is using manual monitoring of the research or journal output of the faculty. Because of this, the system that will be included in the implementation of the Research Monitoring Information System or Research Proposal Tracking System. This contains a database of all research proposal, name of author, abstract of the research project requirement, and its status. Next is the Research Faculty Monitoring System maintains a database of all faculty for research. The conceptual design of the RMIS or Research Monitoring Information System, and I will discuss this on the next slide, the systems and user interface. As you can see, the RMIS homepage, it illustrates the user interface, uses, and functions of the Research Monitoring Information System of the Iloilo Science and Technology University Research Services Division. And here's the login. In the login, the function, the graphical user interface. To secure the login, the user assigns research assistant or any authorized personnel will act as an administrator and has the authority to manage the research monitoring information system in faculty or author navigation bar. He or she will be able to manage the system by editing, deleting, and searching the author information. While about in research, navigation bar, the administrator will be able to manage the system by editing, deleting, and searching the research status of faculty or author proposal may be ongoing or already completed. And for the development of this project, the application will be used or Apache, MySQL, and PHP programming language. For the implementation, the plan, we're going to use the Gantt chart. So the Gantt chart provides a graphical illustration of a detailed schedule of activities for the implementation of the research monitoring information system of the Iloilo Scientific Technology University Research Services Division in order to have a timely and successful output. This will help the team of the university to visually plan and, of course, to track the project. So, as you can see here, I give only 38 days as the estimated accomplishment of the research monitoring information system. It was started last May 10, it's March 10, 2017, and it will end on the May 1, 2017. Actually, it's just a sample only. Next is the recommendations. So, the Research Services Division will conduct an enhanced training for the development of Research Monitoring Information System or RMIS, and this will be recommended with the following reasons. First, provide efficient and effective procedure in processing, submission, and monitoring of research. Provide management with information useful for decision making. Of course, it will provide adequate internal controls. Third, my reference in the working my project. So that also, I think, I hope you have learned a lot from my presentation. Thank you. God bless.